As the council members of Siaya County, representatives of the churches of National Council of Churches within this area, do urge the Kenyan Parliament to expedite their engagement on the recommendations made by the NADCO committee, the National Dialogue Committee, so that it allows implementation of those recommendations. Some of those recommendations made have been overtaken by time. For instance, the composition of IEBC, it's long overdue, and those are issues that need to be addressed with a lot of speed.
The security apparatus need to move with speed and rein in cases of killings, breakings, muggings, threats, and intimidation. We urge the County Security and Intelligence Committee to move with speed and enforce law and order across the county.
We as the Communal Council in Siaya County, we wish to state as follows. 1. Funeral services or any other church functions are not arena for the political battles. And we urge our members, churches, not to allow the scandals of our pulpits to be defiled by the politician with ill motives. 2. We urge our politicians to respect our lines of engagement. For us churches, we don't interfere with their political events.